Hi, good morning. This is Andrew at Dr. Detail. I'm going to refinish the clear coat on these Volvo wheels. They're pretty gnarly right here. We're going to repair all this curb rash and everything. We're going to redo this. We're going to give these wheels a good freshen up. They're off a customer's 2016 Volvo V60. Good referral. We've done some wheels for them before. And the wheels are structurally in perfect shape, but we're going to look after them. This is the before photos, and we're going to get back to you at the end with the new finish on them. This is Andrew at Dr. Detail. I'm the owner of Dr. Detail. My website, drdetailinc.com. Come and check us out. We'll talk to you soon. Hi, this is Andrew from Dr. Detail. My website is drdetailinc.com. We finished these Volvo wheels, cleaned them all up. They had curb rash and scratches and some clear coat peeling off. The customer wanted to spend a lot of money and redo them completely. I said, no, don't do that. We can make them look good. We did, and he should be happy. He should be happy. He saw them. I sent some pictures to him. He's all happy. That's what's important. I'm Andrew, Dr. Detail. This is the finished product on the Volvo wheels. Come and use us and you'll be happy. Andrew, Dr. Detail. Our website, once again, drdetailinc.com.